Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something that's making waves in the world of AI development, Pydantic AI. If you're into tech like I am, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. So what exactly is Pydantic AI? Simply put, it's a tool that integrates robust data validation into the AI workflow. Data validation might sound boring, but trust me, it's like giving your AI a superpower. It ensures that the data feeding into your AI models is clean, reliable, and accurate. AI systems are super sensitive to data quality. Just imagine feeding your AI inconsistent or poorly formatted data. It's like trying to build a skyscraper on a shaky foundation. Pydantic AI steps in to fix that by embedding data validation at every step. This transforms raw data into reliable insights before it even reaches your model. Now, Pydantic AI builds on the Python library, Pydantic. This library uses type annotations to ensure data integrity, but Pydantic AI takes it a step further. It applies these principles across the entire AI development lifecycle. Think of it as a data guardian, making sure everything is in tip-top shape. Let's talk about the benefits. First, it ensures robust data integrity, minimizing errors and boosting model accuracy. Second, it improves developer productivity by reducing code complexity with its declarative syntax. Third, it makes transitioning to production smoother with clear data contracts. And lastly, it integrates seamlessly with web frameworks, making scalable AI-powered services a breeze. Here's a practical example. Imagine you're building an AI-driven recommendation system. Pydantic AI validates data from multiple sources, ensuring consistency and improving model performance. Or in healthcare, it ensures data adheres to strict formats, reducing the risk of misdiagnoses. It even streamlines API deployment by building robust APIs with solid data integrity. For those diving into Pydantic AI, here are some tips. Define clear data schemas up front. Use Python-type hints. Integrate validation incrementally. Monitor performance and optimize, and invest in team training. Looking ahead, Pydantic AI is set to revolutionize data pipelines. Imagine AI that can automatically detect and correct data inconsistencies. We can also expect more plugins and integrations, and cross-disciplinary collaboration among data scientists, engineers, and domain experts. So there you have it. Pydantic AI is transforming how we handle data in AI development. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.